9 divided by 3 square divided by 3 times 2. This is a classic PEMDAS question. Try to solve by your own. And here we are solving with the help of PEMDAS. Here we can see there are no parenthesis part, so we will go for the exponent part because after parenthesis, next preference will give into exponent here. So here we can see 3 square is written, which is nothing but what? 3 times 3, which equals to 9 here. So we can write 9 on the place of this 3 square. So when we rewrite our question here, which is 9 minus 9 divided by 3 times 2. Now here what we can see, there are three operations: subtraction, division, and multiplication. And as we know that multiplication and division have the same priority, and in that case we have to solve left to right. Okay, so we have to solve left to right. Don't try to solve this subtraction part because this one is the last preference. So we are deciding between these two operations because they have the same priority. Okay, now we have to first operate this division part, which is 9 divided by 3, and when we operate we will get answer 3 here. So we can rewrite 9 minus, in that place we can write 3 times 2. Now as we can see, there are two operations: 9 minus 3 times 2, this is subtraction, and multiplication. And according to PEMDAS, next preference will be given to multiplication. So we will multiply this part, which is 3 times 2 will give result 6 here. So we can rewrite here 9 minus 6, and 9 minus 6 will give result what? 3. So here the right answer is 3. And try to solve all this question and subscribe channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.